Everyone, welcome to our Christmas decoration video. It's the most wonderful time of the year. We are excited to share our favorite Christmas decoration ideas with you. Get ready to make your home merry and bright. Let's get started. Start with the Christmas tree and decorate it with the ornaments and lights. Add some garland and tinsel to make it sparkle. Hang stocking by the ceremony by the care. Use festive color like red, green, or gold to create a holiday look. Create a festive tablescape with Christmas themed table runners and centerpieces. Use Christmas themed figurines like reindeer and snowman. Add some festive flair with Christmas themed throw pillows. Decorate your windows with Christmas themed decorations. Create a festive atmosphere with candles and fairy lights. Use festive essence like pine and create a cozy atmosphere. Decorate your outdoor space with the festive light and decorations. Make your home feel cozy and inviting with Christmas decorations. Use Christmas themed decorations to add a personal touch. Create a festive holiday display with Christmas decorations and lights. Make your Christmas decorations shine with lights and garlands. Add some festive cheer to your holiday creating gatherings. Create a festive atmosphere with Christmas music and decorations. Get creative and have fun with your Christmas decorations. Make your home a winter wonderful. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. So guys, if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the decoration designs are very unique, trendy, and beautiful, and I'm sure you will get amazing home decoration ideas for Christmas. So you can please visit my channel and also do try my home decoration ideas at your home. In today's video, I'm talking about Christmas decorations and Christmas tree and festivals decoration ideas in different styles, color combination, and sizes. So please, guys, watch this video till the end. I'm here with you with the new video. So guys, make a comment in a comment section. So you guys make a smile with me. Add some festive cheers to your holiday gathering. Create a festive atmosphere with Christmas music and decorations. Get creative and have fun with your Christmas decorations. Make your home a winter and wonderful. Thank you so much for watching our Christmas decoration video. I hope you found something inspiration for your